Hello traders, this is Kevin with Scanz, bringing you another video on how to use the amazing Scanz platform. Scanz is the #1 stock discovery and scanning tool built specifically for active traders that are looking to supercharge their trading. With advanced technical and fundamental features, Scanz helps you find more trading opportunities more often, taking your trading to the next level. In this video, I will show you how to scan for the Market Movers newsletter end-of-day stock list while using the pre-built Scanz feature. When you open Scanz, choose the production version of Scanz. And when the toolbar is open, go ahead and click on Scanners, and then click on Pro Scanner, and then Pre-built Scanz. We're going to go ahead and click on Select a Scan next, and then scroll down to the bottom by exchange. Here you're going to see a list of all the categories that are involved in the Market Movers newsletter. The same categories, you can search for each one and create your own scan for each specific category. Here I'm going to go ahead and click on NASDAQ Biggest Gainers, Scan Now, and you'll see a list appears. And you can sort this by ascending or descending. I'm going to go by percent change, and you can go by net change as well. And if you want to open a stock chart, just go ahead and click on any symbol, and a stock chart will appear very easily. If you want to do a deeper dive and really dial in your scan, you can open up the Filters tab. Here you can filter from price, dollar change, percent change, just on and on. If you want a smaller market cap, a smaller float, you can really dial in the type of stock that you're looking for within each category. So there you have it, an easy way to scan for all of the categories within the Market Movers newsletter. I hope you enjoyed this video, and stay tuned for more videos designed to help you get the most out of the Scanz trading platform. If you're currently using Scanz and need any assistance, don't hesitate to contact us at help@scanz.com. And if you're not currently a Scanz user, go to the Scanz website for a free 14-day trial and see how Scanz can take your trading to the next level. Thank you, and see you again soon.